Hey guys, greetings. It's New York Dan. Good morning to you. I'm just getting going here. I'm having a frustrating morning. I shouldn't even beat myself up with this junk. My girlfriend gave me her iPhone, right, which was very nice of her. This thing's pretty expensive. It's like a newer model phone, actually. She got like the latest one, and I think you can trade these in and get some, like an upgrade to the latest iPhone. But anyway, this damn thing, you know, I go on to YouTube with it. I'm trying to set it up because this is how it happened. I should tell you this much. One time we were at a winery and I did a video. I didn't have my phone, it was in the car, right? So I used her phone. And when I got the video, when I was filming or when I posted it, I noticed the image stabilization, it was much more professional with this iPhone. It worked great. It's got a really good camera in here. So that's how it came to the story where when she got an upgrade, she didn't trade it in and she actually gave it to me. It's unlocked and I could activate it, right, and use it. Now, the thing of it is, I have an Android phone, right? I have a Motorola, and that's probably like really old school. I mean, that's going way back. It's a newer phone, and it's what's supposed to be a pretty damn good phone. Okay, the thing is, I'm trying to make the jump to use this in my video to do videoing with, right? See if it's any better. It's unlocked. I got it on Wi-Fi. I've been working on it today, and this thing is wasting my time. I'm pissed. I am pissed off using it, even though people might think it's a great phone or whatnot. I go on here, it's very invasive. It's asking me all kinds of damn questions. Everything that I try to sign up for, I have passwords that I wrote down in this book, right? All my passwords for my accounts and things like that. I'm trying to sign on to stuff. Half the passwords, it's saying, we forgot your password. We need to use your fingerprint or take a photo of your face. I'm like, what the hell's going on? Those passwords are written down. It's not like I forgot them. I have the original passwords there. So half the stuff on there, I'm like, I hate this. It's the way things are going now. Probably, there's a phone call coming. Great. I'll decline that. The way things are going with this damn artificial intelligence and all this crap, we are on a freaking collision course with very scary stuff, guys. I'm talking about, you saw Space Odyssey 2001 with Hal. That's becoming real. Machines are taking over our lives. Let me tell you. Just the fact they want all this invasive information to do something real simple, right? It's ridiculous. It's very scary. What are they doing with all that stuff? They're going to keep your face on file. They're going to keep all this stuff at their headquarters. It's scary. And they can share, that can be used for all kinds of stuff. I mean, I'm just pissed. I'm pissed. I also, okay, aside from that stuff, I'm mad about like the interface of that phone. I'm used to this Android phone and I can do everything I want to do on here like that, right? This thing is like, I feel like I'm riding in a goddamn, like, you know how we're used to driving on our steering wheel and the car's on one side, right? And we drive on one side of the road, right? The right side, I guess. You go to another country, like in England or a lot of the Caribbean islands, they have it backward. They're driving on the other side. The steering wheel's over on the other side of the car. We're like, What in the hell is going on? That is the most unnatural feeling. It feels like your car is going to tip over or something. Who the hell would sit in the passenger seat of the car and drive it backward on the damn road, on the wrong side of the road, driving from the passenger seat? It's messed up, man. And that freaking iPhone, it's driving me crazy, man. This thing, I'm wasting time trying to just to navigate around with that dumb bar. I can't go back. I'm having problems going backward on here. Then I got my YouTube account signed on with my New York Dan account on here. And I can't even figure out how to post a short video on this. It's having me go to the creator account or the YouTube studio. And then I tried doing the camera on here, and it turns out I just got it on my phone. I upgraded something on here. I got an app, and I'm able to pause the video on my phone now and record so I don't have to edit. That's a game changer right there. So I love my Motorola phone here, but this is all for like the image stabilization. I really don't know what I'm going to do here. Oh, then I tried plugging this in and I can't get it to charge. I have the right plug. It says it's connected, but the battery level's just sitting there. It doesn't seem to go up. The first thing I should do is try to charge this. I should have done that first. I'm doing things ass backward here. I should have done that first. Charged. Let's see if the thing even works. If it doesn't charge, I can't even use this phone. And the other thing I don't like, well, let me know in the comments if anyone knows. My Android phone has a slot in the side of it here, if you take the cover off, where you can put an SD card, a micro SD card in for storage. I have a 256 gigabyte micro SD card in my Android phone. So I have a ton of storage, and I don't even know if iPhone has that capability. Now, if I want to use this as my telephone, I got to get my SIM card transferred or activate this thing as a phone. And I don't know. The latest thing is 5G. Now they're saying this might be a problem. If this isn't 5G, it might not be able to even be used on a new account. They have a deal, Boost Mobile. This is what I was thinking of doing. Boost Mobile has a really good deal. They have like a $25 a month phone deal. And there's something about you could possibly even get a new iPhone. But I'm telling you, the interface on here is just a pain in the neck, man. Pain in the neck. I'm not used to it. I don't like the layout. I don't like the way it's set up. It's nuts. And when my girlfriend was using this phone, actually, now I think about it, like when I was filming and doing stuff, I would have her do everything on it. I would be like, okay, set it up for me so that I can film. Okay, send me the video. Then I can use the video. I can upload it from my phone. Maybe I'll have to do that. Just use it as a camera. And if I can send the video over to this phone, that might be a way to do it. Just use this as a camera and transfer the file or the video. I don't even know. Can you plug this into a PC to transfer it? I have no idea. This thing, I feel like I can't. This is like a foreign language. I can't even communicate. This thing's speaking Swahili to me. I don't get it. I don't know what all the rave about is, other than the camera being better. And if I got a new Android phone, the camera would probably be just as good. The stabilization in it would probably be just as good. I don't know. Maybe I can even find an app that would help my phone with the stabilization. I should do that. But I'm telling you guys, it's very scary stuff. You see, when they collect your information like that, it sounds legit, right? It starts off innocent enough. The problem is, as things progress in the future, they have like complete control over your identity. When they, oh, your fingerprint is on file with big tech. Oh, your face is on file. Your biometrics. They start knowing everything about you. They know your habits. They can trace where you're going every day. Where's your location? That's a turn location on to improve app performance. Oh, send your information back automatically so we can improve the program. It's scary. All this stuff, it's being tracked. I'll tell you what's really scary, and this is gonna, mark my word, this is gonna be bad. This AI, you probably heard of this. There's a kind of a bizarre character. Um, this guy in charge of Open AI, Sam Altman. Um, this stuff, it's very scary. That's catching on. This AI junk, Chat GPT or whatever. Now, when you search on Google or whatever, it gives you this automatic write up. It's the first thing that comes up. It says um, results compiled by AI. And then at the bottom, it says this is experimental. That just started happening like within the last month. Um, this stuff is getting very scary. The AI is going to take over. It's all about, it's going to eliminate a lot of people's jobs. It's going to streamline how the system works. And man, with Apple, between, they're both bad. I'm not saying Google, or I'm not saying Android. It's no angel either, and it's also could be because I haven't gotten a new one. This phone I got before COVID. Um, Now they probably are doing the same thing. I got a laptop or a notebook computer. Wow, you set that up, they're asking you all these damn questions. They want that thing linked up. Oh, the other thing is to link your devices all together. Yeah. Link everything you have is going to be down to one name and password. Just like they give a number to an inmate or a prisoner. They give them one number. That's what they're doing with this technology. You get a new computer, they to set up that damn Windows thing, man, they do the same kind of crap. They ask you all these invasive questions. They want you to put your credit card in there. They want it to automatically search in your house for any other devices you have. They want it linked up, and then they're going to send all your data to the cloud. That means it's no cloud. That means that all your data is being stored at these big tech companies. They have all your data. Everything you do on the computer. If you write someone a letter, guess what? That whole letter is stored at Google or Apple or whatever on the servers. It's like it's a, well, the internet, it's a virtual network, and they have all those heavy duty servers storing all this information. They try to make it sound, oh, we're going to make it more convenient for you. Yes, yeah, there's convenience, but unfortunately, it's a little bit, it's invading. You have no privacy, basically, if you do that stuff. Everything, your whole life is, being stored there. Now, like I said, it may seem innocent enough if you look at it with rose-colored glasses. You're like, okay, they're trying to make your life better. They're helping you out, make it more convenient. You only need one password. Everything's linked together. It's all web. Every device you have, everything you do. If you forget, if your computer crashes, oh, that the letters and everything you have on your computer, the videos, that's stored. You don't have to worry about it. We'll send you a copy. I don't know. I just, maybe I'm old fashioned, but I find it very scary how this stuff is like, it's a little invasive. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's definitely something that's different than what I'm used to. It takes getting used to. Like, I saw how it was in the beginning, where when you had like Commodore 64, stuff like that, your computer wasn't even hooked up to the internet. It was like a private computer. Everything you had on that machine, you had your collection of disks. You knew right where your data was. You knew where your stuff was secured. Now, I don't know, guys. I just don't know. But that iPhone, I don't know what everyone's raving about. That thing is complicated to use. I find it very complicated, the interface. I don't know. I wish it was better. I wish it was better. Maybe I should go to a phone shop and check out some of the latest phones and see what I can come up with. I would like to get a really good stabilizer system. Well, I'll tell you what, guys. This is my morning rant. I will let you know what solution I find. I will do an update video on this topic. Feel free to comment what your take is on this situation, on what the topic is. All right, guys. Hey, have a great day. Now I'm going to try to be productive and enjoy my day instead of stressing about that iPhone. All right, guys. See you in the next one.